Hello kids! Count with me from number 1 to 50. Spooky things are here to see, but don't be scared. Just smile with glee. 1, 2, 3. A ghost was brushing under a tree. 4, 5, 6. A spider wore socks made out of sticks. 7, 8, 9. A cat wore glasses and said, I shine. 10. Did you hear that sound now? It's only fun, don't say oh. 11, 12, 13. A book was hiding on the top shelf. 14, 15, 16. A hat was floating with whipped cream. 17, 18, 19. A balloon was laughing and vibrating. 20. Wait a minute, what was that? Just a pillow wearing a hat. 21, 22, 23. A frog made tea and said it's fun. 24, 25, 26. The door said hi and rolled on the floor. 27, 28, 29. A shoe jumped up and reached to sky. 30. Don't be scared, just take a peek. Maybe the door just wants to speak. 31, 32, 33. The phone was singing like a bee. 34, 35, 36. A cake was spinning doing magic tricks. 37, 38, 39. The mirror giggled and said, you shine. 40. Peekaboo and giggles too. Spooky things just saying hi to you. 41, 42, 43. A ghost said, hey, I lost my shoe. 44, 45, 46. A box just sneezed. Is it alive? 47, 48, 49. A cat clapped and said, you are great. 50. Spooky counting full of cheer. Let's clap for fun and give a cheer. Now dear kids, it's quiz time. Are you ready? Answer fast and keep it steady. You have 5 seconds to think. How many ghosts are there? The answer is 3. Great job. How many beds are there? The answer is 8. Very well done. How many skeletons did you see? The answer is 15. Spooky smart. You counted right. You played so well. You made it through the spooky smell. Now wave goodbye and give a cheer. See you next time on Study Time. Bye, spooky friends.
Yay!